On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to replace the oil on the BMW 435i. To replace the oil and the oil filter, you can start by removing the oil cap in order to have better flow. When you drain the oil, put it aside. We have to remove the oil filter cap. Of course, you have to have your new oil filter. If you are using the same brand, you have the code in there for the oil filter, and of course you have to have long life oil spec for BMW 5W30. I've used this oil in all of my project cars and in all of my cars, and I have no problems with this oil at all. This is the company that I'm working with, and I have a 20-liter jug in here, and this car needs just 6.5 liters. So let's go under the car now, remove the drain plug. After that we are going to remove the oil filter and pour everything new. From under the car now, with a big flathead screwdriver, you have to open this slot. Okay, and let's hope everything is dry in here. It should be dry because this car is almost new. So, and everything is dry, nice. Let's open this completely. Like this, and with a 17 let's crack this bolt open. I've just used a bucket. I've kind of put oil everywhere on this flap, but I'm going to wash, of course, everything. But as you can see, the oil looks pretty decent. It's not black at all, it's kind of the right color. It's time now to replace the oil filter. In order to do that, we need a tool, a special tool. You can do this with a big plier or stuff like that, but it's not recommended because this one is plastic and you can rip the edges from this cover. So we are going to use a tool like this. We are going to put a ratchet on it, and let's see how tight this is. Oh, perfect. And of course you notice that I've put a lot of paper towel in here because I don't want to have oil anywhere in this engine bay, because everything is clean on this car and I want to keep it this way. Inspect the filter. This one is okay. With everything clean now, we can install the new filter like this. Okay, we have the new gasket. For the cover, we have the smaller one for the cover as well, and we have a new washer for the drain plug. Now it's time to pour the oil. So don't worry, I've poured from this 20-liter jug in this one. I've poured 3.5 liters because after 4 liters I cannot see exactly where 5 mark is. So 3.5 first, and after that another 2 liters, and we another 3 liters, sorry, and we will have 6.5 liters. And yes, use a funnel recommended by everyone, why won't you use a funnel? There is no expert mode in here when you spill oil everywhere. Oil is in, put the plug back, start the car. That cold start. Check for leaks. Check the level. Oil okay, and let's see the level now. Start measuring. And we have the max levels. Now let's reset the service. In order to reset the service, you don't have to press any pedal. Ignition on. Oh, just a second. So ignition on. Hold press the button about 10 seconds. Now we have the service interval, everything in here. And if you press one time, you can go through menu, brake fluid, car check. I'm not sure if you've noticed, I'm not sure if you can read German. In here it said you cannot reset because I've just done the brake job. If you want to see that video, I'm going to put a pop-up banner in here. And in order to reset, just press once again, another 10 seconds. It's going to ask you release. And press once again and hold. And we've reset the oil. And just like that, we've done an oil change on a BMW 435i. It's an easy job, and if you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.